Hello everyone, my name is Supriya Bhosle, Assistant Professor working in Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology. Today's topic name is Environment Types in AI. First type is fully observable versus partially observable. Fully observable is nothing but if an agent sensor gives it access to the complete state of the environment at each point in a time, then the environment is said to be a fully observable. If the agent does not see the whole kind of environment, so that is under a partial observation. So fully observable environment, the agent has to access the complete state of environment in all time, all point of time. So every relevant piece of information is needed to make a decision is available through the agent sensor. Suppose considering here the example, the sensor detect the all kind of aspect that are relevant to the choice of action. Example, the chessboard. So chessboard we are considering under the fully observable because the agent can see the full board, all pieces and their position, and then it will take the decision for the next. So tic-tac-toe is entire game state is visible to the agent. So this is under a fully kind of observable environment. Characteristics is no hidden information in that, and decision can be made based on the complete knowledge. So it is easier to design, and the optimal strategies are used to solve the problems. The next one is a partially observable. Partially observable is nothing but an environment might be a partially observable because of noisy and inaccurate sensor or because of part of states are simply missing and some information is hidden in that. So that data is captured from the sensor. So partially is nothing but the agent has limited access to the state of the environment. Some information is hidden or uncertain due to the sensor limitations or incomplete data are there. Suppose considering the example like a local dirt center sensor of the cleaner cannot tell and whether the other squares are clean or not. So this is about the partial observation. Suppose you are considering the next example that is a robotic sensor range and the noise hide the obstacles in that. So that kind of examples are considered in a partial observable environment. The next one is deterministic versus stochastic environment. So the next state of the environment is completely determined by the current state and the action executed by the agent. Then the environment is deterministic, otherwise it is stochastic. Suppose you are considering here the tic-tac-toe and the cleaner, Ludo and taxi driver. So these are the stochastic because of some are unobservable aspect. Suppose consider here the noise or unknown. In deterministic is nothing but the environment where the next state is completely predictable based on the current state and the agent actions. So the key characteristic is no randomness involved here and specific action is always lead to the same outcome. So the agent can plan with certainty. It's like a chase. Every move has known and fixed the result in deterministic. In stochastic, actually, the environment for the next state is uncertain due to the randomness on the unknown factor. The next type of environment is episodic or versus sequential kind of environment. So it's nothing but agent single pair of perception, the actions are taken and the quality of agent action does not depend on the other episodes. It's like every episode is independent of each other. There is no dependency of each steps and the actions performed by an agent. So episodic environment is a simpler. The agent does not need to think ahead. It's like a part picking a robot. And the sequential is means it requires some sequence or the steps needed to follow to complete the particular task. Like a current action may affect the all future decision. As look the history is like taxi uh, driving and the chase are the example of sequential kind of environment. Thank you.